Yo, what's up guys? Just before the video starts, I would like to let you guys know that I do indeed have a website. It is a pretty cool website. What I do on the website, I have frequently asked questions. This is the website. It's a pretty great website. Well, see, this is just the editing part of the website, but I update it often. I update the website so often that it will just be insane, guys. But in today's video, I'm going to be making, and listen, I know I said keyboard. But guys, I'm sorry, but the keyboard review isn't happening yet because I have a better review. Not really a review, but I'm going to be making a cheap gaming PC on PC part picker that will actually work. So here we go, choosing a CPU, alright. We gotta set the price low, like $95. This looks good enough. This looks better though. And it's cheaper. Guys, basically, if it's cheap, we go for it. This is too loud. Okay, CPU cooler. We're probably gonna need one. Let's just go with Cooler Master Hyper. Choose a motherboard. Guys, we need a pretty cheap motherboard. We're gonna click this. Practically, it puts the price from low to high. We're gonna want this one. It has a full one. Oh. Well, guys, we've came into our first issue. But guys, no worry, because if we pick up this one, there's not going to be any issues. Oh, come on. Okay, guys, we have to change the CPU because this one just doesn't want to work. So what we're going to do is move it back down to around this price. I don't want a Pentium Gold. Oh, I guess that's what just allows to be used with the motherboard. Okay. Well, guys, we're choosing a different motherboard. We don't really need a CPU cooler. I want this motherboard. You know, we probably do need a CPU cooler, guys. So let's pick ourselves up a CPU cooler. Choose some memory. We just want cheap 8 gigs. You know, nothing too much. Let's go like $40. Price lowest to high. Guys, there's some 8 gig right here, $25. Let's add that. Now guys, for our storage, we're going to want to be able to play some games, but we don't want to spend too much on the storage. Price low to high. Let's see. We're going to not want an SSD. Sure, they're fast, but we need to have more storage. That's why we're going to go with probably the best storage ever. This one, it is $22. It's really good. Right now, we're at $238. That's a bit too much, but guys, don't worry, because we're getting onto the video card, where I'm immediately going to set the price down low, because we don't need to be spending too much now, do we, guys? What I'm saying that we do is get this one, the GT730 4GB model, because this can at least run some of your games. Yep, this can run some of your games at intense graphics. We're going to put this into our system. Next, we gotta choose a case. Cases, it doesn't really matter. We just need like the cheapest one on the market, if you guys know what I'm saying. Give us this one. That looks good. Power supply, we're only gonna need like, what, 500 watts? Who even knows, dude? This, oh, I saw one. 500 for $30. Let's go. $383. Guys, I'm not going to be choosing Windows or anything, because Windows lets you just use it, and there's a watermark, which isn't too bad. We're not doing keyboard, mouse, you know, none of that groove. But guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys would like to purchase this, the PC part picker link is going to be in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And just remember, I do have a website. You guys can check out the website. It's really cool. I'm going to have this new video up on there right as it gets uploaded. So if you guys do enjoy, please be sure to comment down below and like the video, because I'm trying to get out 5 videos a day because, yeah, I'm on that grind. And I'll see you guys in the next video.